Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this easel I got from Dollar Tree. I'm starting with the two main pieces that have the angled sides on them. I'll be hot gluing those two together. And then the bottom portions of those, I just mark off where I need to cut those down to make them more flat. And I use my miter shears to cut them. After I cut them down, I sand them so they're nice and smooth. For the bottom of the tree, I used one of the pieces that comes with the easel that is about the same width as the two main pieces. I mark that off so it'll be the length across those two, cut it down with the miter shears, and then hot glue that to the bottom. And then paint the entire thing with Plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly. Next, I'm taking these fairy lights that I get from Amazon and I'm wrapping them around the tree. I don't fully wrap them around the bottom part, the base of the tree. Once I get back to the bottom, I just wrap it around a couple times and loosely wrap those around just so they stay in place while I'm finishing up. I take these silver ornaments and a little pine cone ornament that I got from Walmart and tie the strings that come with them. And then add a tiny bit of hot glue to that knot and trim up the excess. I then add hot glue to the top of the tree and place down that string. For the next one, I make that a little bit shorter. Again, hot gluing it into place, and then the pine cone a little bit shorter than that. I then take this little silver poinsettia that I got from Dollar Tree. I remove the clip from it and hot glue that to the top. Next, I'm taking 3 wood slices, 2 about the same size and 1 smaller one. I hot glue the smaller one to one of the larger ones. I then add some hot glue to the top portion of that bottom piece and add the single wood slice. And underneath that on the tree, I add more hot glue and place that on that smallest wood slice. Next, I'm adding this floral ring by adding some hot glue to the wood slice. And this I got from Dollar Tree a while ago. Once that's hot glued down, I loop the remaining part of the fairy lights from the bottom throughout the florals, and then hot glue that battery pack to that wood slice on the top. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.